viewers, this is Okedoyin Moses, your friend, your anchor person on this platform, the Rich Man platform, whereby we charge ourselves, we motivate ourselves, we encourage ourselves, and to keep going in life. The platform basically meant to renew your mind, to charge you, and to prepare you for the unexpected, and to know how to get better in handling issues. Today I'll be quickly talking to you what I tagged ways by which problems are being resolved, or steps by which problems are being resolved. Problem solving is all about, providing solutions to issues of life that brings values on table for you. And there are steps that we use or we need to know in order to get issues of life or any matter that is arising before us, either in the family or in an organization or in a business. There are steps to it in order to get it resolved. The number one thing that we must get clear in resolving issues, which is the first step that I want to talk about, it says take the time to define the problem clearly. Take your time to define the problem clearly. There's a saying that states, and I'll read out to you, which is, an accurate diagnosis is a half cure. That is in medicine. An accurate diagnosis is the half the cure. That is, once you know the particular problem, then you will be able to know what exactly or the approach you have to use in addressing it. But when you don't establish what the problem might be or what it could have been, then you might just be haphazard in your approach to resolving that problem. So you must take the time to establish and define the problem clearly. The step number 2 that you need to know about steps in resolving issues or problems is that ask if it is really a problem. You must be able to ask what is on ground. Is it really a problem? And how do we mean? There are problems and there are challenges, and those are the things that we can get fixed. Problems and challenges can be fixed, but there are some things you don't have a solution to it, which are basic facts of life. If it is raining, you can't stop the rain. It is the natural occurrence which no one has a solution to. All you need to do is to get around such a thing. Let me read this to you. Remember, there are some things that you can do nothing about. They are not problems. That is, there are certain things that happens. It is a natural occurrences or an economical situation. Take for instance, in Nigeria we are now, and even all over the globe, the pandemic issue. It's not a personal thing. And once the government pronounced certain laws against it or this and that, it is not something that you can quickly just walk around it and say you want to solve it like a problem. No. There are certain things which are like facts or basic things of life that it is not something you could just provide a solution to. You can't provide a solution to. They are merely facts of life. Those are merely facts of life. These you don't have a solution to. Let me read also this one to you. Also, very often what appears to be a problem or setback is actually an opportunity in disguise. Sometimes the problem does not need to be solved at all. Instead, you are now free to do something completely different, which might be even better for you and your organization. What are we driving at now? There's some problems that it doesn't need you to do anything about you. You need to do something different. It's an opportunity in disguise. It tells you to come up with another solution, to come up with another idea, because it might be that is the obsolete. That thing is getting obsolete about things. That thing at the present might be like is wearing out or is winding up, and you need to bring up something new for that. So some problems are actually an opportunities in disguise, and that is why it is it really a problem? We must define that. Is it a problem that can be addressed? So that's another step in resolving issues. The number 3 point, which is the third step that I want to talk about, is that what else is the problem? What else is the problem means that asking series of questions on the issues of ground, asking series of questions pertaining to the issues on ground. If there's a problem on ground, you ask repeated questions. This is a technical way of bringing out a solution or profiling a solution. What is the problem? What has really happened now? You will discover that the person that will be explaining things to you might actually be stating it in different manner, and by this you can actually be getting a solution to what you have on ground. You can actually be having a solution even in the course of asking them what is the problem. They will be stating it in different format, and by so doing you'll be able to get an idea or clue on how to get such an issues to be resolved. Then the step 4 that I want to quickly talk to before I round up, because we still have a series of steps and I'm going to continue in my next video with you. How did this problem occur? How did this problem occur? If you don't understand how a problem occurs, then the problem becomes something that degenerates, or it becomes something that reoccurs often and often. And when this is happening, it means there's a defect that is in the system already that is giving that issue. And once you don't establish that, then you are always, at the end of, coming to resolve a particular thing over and over. So that means you must be able to establish how the problem happened. That is what has really, went wrong that made the problem to occur. Once you are able to identify that, then that is the solution to forestall such a problem. I want you to stick to this video, and in my next video I will continue with some other steps, because I'll be going to about 9 steps. I've given you 4 now, and in my next video I'll be giving you the other 5. Thank you so much for watching this very video at this very point in time. It's really my pleasure. Please subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and share the channel with your friend. Thank you so much.